I'm so sorry to bother you. Is there any way you'll be able to spare like $5? I don't have my wallet. It's okay if not, no worries.
I don't have cash.
No worries, thank you, sorry about that. Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm gonna be asking people if they can put a little bit of gas in my car. The first person to say yes is getting $100. Let's get to it. Oh, what?
$1.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. It sucks.
No worries.
Yeah.
I actually want to let you know, so we're actually filming a show for Dherbs.
Okay.
And we want to reward people's kindness. And so for that, I'd like to pay for your tank and give you $100.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we just want to say thanks.
Really happening?
Yes, this is really happening. Yeah, I'm glad you could help me out. I really appreciate that.
No worries. I mean, I've forgotten my wallet just earlier today. I was like, so I get it if you're
Absolutely.
out.
Awesome.
Dherbs.
Great, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Have a nice rest of your day.